Hello. So I'm going to show really quickly how to install the pod files in order to use Firebase. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a new project, do a single view application. I'm going to just name it test directory. Just going to copy that because I'll need it later. And here it's going to ask me where I want to place the file. So I usually place all of my development stuff in a folder called development. So let's go ahead and place it there. So I'm going to hit the create button and remember what folder you're putting it in. So I'm putting this in the development folder. I'm going to hit create. All right, so now we should have a folder for this project. Now, in order to install the Cocoa Pods, we can open the terminal. And let me just really get up on this. I don't need this. Okay, so we know that we put the folder in, or we put the project in a folder called development. So what we're going to do is we're just going to change directory command, which is cd, and we're going to say development. All right, now we're in the development folder. So we copied the name that we named the project a second ago, but if you want to see everything that's in this directory, you can do the list command. So ls-l. So we could do the long version of it. So here's our project right here, test directory, right? So we want to go into this project folder. So what we're going to do is we're going to change directories again. That's clear. So we're going to change directories and we're going to put in the directory where our Xcode project directory. Okay, so now we're in that directory. So we could do the ls-l command and see what's there. And currently we have just our Xcode project and the directory folder. So what we want to do is install our pod file here. So to install the pod file, we're just going to type pod init. So to initialize the pod file for us. And if we do ls-l, we see that now we have a pod file that wasn't there before. In order to edit the pod file, I'm going to just do vi pod file. And it's going to bring the pod file up. Now you can also, and if you don't want to do it here, you can do it within Xcode if we open up the directory, right? But I'm going to do it here. In order to edit this, I'm going to hit A. And as you see down here, it has this notes that we're inserting. Go down to where you want to add the pod files. We're going to add pod single quote Firebase /core single quote, and then escape semicolon colon, not semicolon, sorry, took me a second. And then we're going to do WQ, which is going to write and quit, so it's going to save that information to that pod file. Now at this point, we just need to install the pod. So we're going to do pod install. It's going to run and it's going to install everything that we need here. And then it's going to tell us here, please close any current Xcode sessions and use test_directory.workspace for this project from now on. So what we're going to do is from here, we could just say open. And we can just take this, Well, I missed a T, so I'll just go ahead and put that T in here. Okay, so we're going to open this directory. And Xcode is going to open for us. Let's close it first. So we're going to close this. Quit. Okay. Now we're going to run this command again. All right. So it opens up Xcode, and this is where we're actually going to do all of our work. So I hope that answers questions. Here's, of course, the pod file. Here's our test directory. Here's our project. Here's our storyboard. If you guys have any other questions, if anything isn't clear, please let me know. Thanks for watching.